Problem 2. Resolve into partial fractions. 3x plus 4 upon x plus 6 into x plus 2 whole square. Solution. The denominator of the given fraction has repeated linear factor. X plus 2 is repeated 2 times and x plus 6 is one factor here. So by taking numerator a for x plus 6 and two different numerators b and c for x plus 2 and x plus 2 square, our next step become, let the given fraction 3x plus 4 upon x plus 6 into x plus 2 whole square is equal to a upon x plus 6 plus b upon x plus 2 plus c upon x plus 2 whole square. Now to remove denominators of each term of this equation, multiplying both sides by x plus 6 into x plus 2 whole square, which is LCM of these denominators, we get, after multiplying by LCM, it cancels the denominators and the left hand side become 3x plus 4 is equal to, multiplying by LCM to the first term of the right hand side, it cancels the denominator x plus 6 and first term become a into x plus 2 whole square, plus similarly it cancels the denominator of second term and second term become b into x plus 2 into x plus 6, plus similarly cancelling the denominator of third term become c into x plus 6. Consider this statement as number 1. Now we have to find values of a, b and c. First, to find the value of a, we have to cancel terms of b and c by taking their common factor x plus 6 0. Therefore, putting x is equal to minus 6 in equation 1, we get, replacing x by minus 6 in equation 1, left hand side become 3 into minus 6 plus 4 is equal to, in the right hand side first term become a in bracket minus 6 plus 2 whole square, plus second term become b in bracket minus 6 plus 2 into minus 6 plus 6, plus third term become c in bracket minus 6 plus 6. Therefore, solving the above step, we get minus 14 is equal to a into 16. Therefore, we get a is equal to minus 7 upon 8. Now it is easy to find value of c by cancelling terms of a and b by taking their common factor x plus 2 0. Therefore, putting x is equal to minus 2 in equation 1, we get, replacing x by minus 2, the left hand side become 3 in bracket minus 2 plus 4 is equal to, in the right hand side first term become a in bracket minus 2 plus 2 whole square, plus second term become b in bracket minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 6, plus c into minus 2 plus 6. Therefore, solving the above step, we get minus 2 is equal to c into 4. Therefore, we get c is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Now we have to find value of b by using above values of a and c and any comfortable value of x. Therefore, putting the values of a, c and x is equal to 0 in equation 1, we get, replacing x by 0, left hand side become 3 into 0 plus 4 is equal to, replacing a by its value minus 7 upon 8 into, in bracket, 0 plus 2 whole square plus b into 0 plus 2 0 plus 6 plus, replacing c by its value minus 1 upon 2 into 0 plus 6. Therefore, solving the above step, we get b is equal to 7 upon 12. Therefore, the given fraction 3x plus 4 upon x plus 6 into x plus 2 whole square is equal to, replacing a by its value minus 7 upon 8, first term become minus 7 upon 8 into x plus 6 plus, replacing b by its value 7 upon 12, second term become 7 upon 12 into x plus 2 plus, replacing c by its value minus 1 upon 2, third term become minus 1 upon 2 into x plus 2 whole square. For better understanding, take a pause here and try to solve this problem again in your notebook without copying.